The rising cost of Strata home insurance here in BC is a major concern. I'll dive right into it and let you know what's happening, why it's happening, and what you can do as a buyer and a Strata homeowner to prepare yourselves for it. This is happening because there's a major increase of Strata insurance claims, and the cost of replacement value of development and building has gone up 7 to 15% in the last few years. As both these factors lead to higher costs for insurance companies, it is passed down to the consumer in the form of higher insurance premiums. So what is happening? Strata housing includes condos and townhomes, duplexes, and also bare land strata. But the major cause of concern, which we're seeing, is in condos and in townhomes. The cost of insurance for a strata building is a common expense, and it's shared by all the owners of a strata corporation. Strata insurance is renewed annually and is paid for by your monthly strata fees. A common misconception is that only older strata buildings have been affected by the newer high insurance premiums, but that's not the case. Stratas of all ages have been affected by this, and we're also seeing brand new luxury high-rise towers. They're having a difficult time finding an insurance provider willing to take on the higher replacement costs of these buildings. For buyers, when representing you as a buyer, it is crucial that we do the proper due diligence and we get a copy of the Strata policy. The key points we'll be looking for in our due diligence are the policy renewal date, how any increase of insurance costs will be paid for. Will it be paid for by a special levy, increase in strata fees, or a combination of both? Also, we'll be looking for what the deductibles are. So there's the sewer backup deductible, there's the water loss deductible, and the flood deductible. If possible, we want to find out how many insurance claims the strata has had. We want to look at the maintenance history, and we can find that in the strata documents. When necessary, we're going to need the advice of an insurance consultant. On the other side of things, if you're a strata homeowner or you're a seller, it's very important to understand the insurance situation in your strata. And if you don't know, you should contact your strata insurance manager and find out all this information. You should understand how this increased insurance costs will be paid for. As your strata policy insurance changes, you should change your home insurance policy to reflect these changes. As a strata homeowner, you can be proactive and minimize risk by doing the following. You should understand where your water shutoffs are in your unit, and if you have a tenanted property, you should let your tenants know where this water shutoff is as well. If you or your tenants are leaving for a long, extended period of time, turn off your water supply for the home. Update all your water connections to all your appliances with steel-braided hoses. Lastly, it is a good idea to replace your older appliances before they stop working properly. By the time you find out your dishwasher is broken, it may already be too late. In conclusion, the rising cost of strata insurance will maintain relevance for the foreseeable future. As always, your best interests are my first priority, and please feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Thank you.